Hey everyone, let's talk about something really important. This is about disrespect. We all face it sometimes, whether it's a rude comment, being ignored, or something more serious. It can really sting, make you feel small, even question your self-worth. But here's the truth. Your worth is not determined by how others treat you. Their disrespect is a reflection of them, not you. It's about their insecurities, their bad days, their lack of understanding. Don't let their negativity steal your joy. Remember your strength, your accomplishment, and the amazing person you are. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, who value you, who treat you the respect that you deserve. You are worthy of love, kindness, and respect. Don't ever forget that.